Welcome to Mental Models Daily, where we explore one mental model each day to help you think better and live smarter. Today, we're diving into the concept of the thought experiment. A thought experiment is a mental model where we explore hypothetical scenarios to reason about complex ideas, theories, and problems. This mental model allows us to test the implications of concepts without needing physical experimentation, making it a powerful tool for critical thinking and problem solving. Let's start with a simple example. Imagine a scenario where you have a magic button that, if pressed, would instantly provide you with immense wealth, but at the cost of someone somewhere losing their life. By contemplating this scenario, you can explore your values, ethics, and the consequences of your decisions. This process helps clarify your principles without having to face the real-world ramifications. In the field of science, thought experiments have led to significant breakthroughs. A famous example is Schrödinger's cat, a thought experiment that illustrates the counterintuitive nature of quantum mechanics. Schrödinger imagined a cat in a sealed box with a mechanism that could randomly release poison, making the cat simultaneously alive and dead until observed. This scenario helped physicists understand and communicate the concept of superposition in quantum theory. Another example can be seen in philosophy. Philosophers often use thought experiments to explore ethical dilemmas and theoretical questions. The trolley problem, for instance, asks whether one should divert a runaway trolley onto a track with one person to save 5 others on another track. This thought experiment challenges us to consider the moral principles of utilitarianism and deontological ethics. In business, thought experiments can be utilized to anticipate market changes and strategic decisions. Imagine a scenario where a new competitor enters the market with a disruptive technology. By considering how this might impact your business, you can develop strategies to adapt and stay competitive. Thought experiments enable business leaders to think ahead and prepare for potential challenges. The mental model of thought experiments also applies to personal development. Visualizing yourself in various future scenarios, such as achieving your career goals or facing significant life changes, can help you plan and make informed decisions. This practice allows you to mentally rehearse different outcomes and better prepare for real-life situations. In education, thought experiments can stimulate critical thinking and creativity. Teachers can encourage students to imagine hypothetical scenarios related to their studies, fostering deeper understanding and engagement with the material. This approach makes learning more dynamic and interactive. To effectively use the mental model of thought experiments, start by clearly defining the scenario you want to explore. Consider different perspectives and possible outcomes, and reflect on the insights gained. Use these insights to inform your decisions and actions in the real world. In conclusion, thought experiments are a powerful mental model that allows us to explore complex ideas and scenarios in a risk-free environment. By incorporating this principle into our thinking, we can enhance our problem-solving skills, make better decisions, and deepen our understanding of the world around us. Thanks for tuning in to Mental Models Daily. Join us tomorrow as we explore another mental model to enhance your thinking toolbox. Don't forget to subscribe or follow us on your favorite podcast platform and share with friends and family. Until next time, keep learning, stay curious, and make the most of thought experiments. For more mental models, please visit mentalmodelsdaily.com, or find us on X or Instagram. Our podcast music was provided by thepodcasthost.com and Alitu, the podcast maker. Find your own free podcast music over at thepodcasthost.com/free music.